All right, how you doing today? Today we're going to be taking a look at ADSR's Drum Machine Synthwave expansion pack. You can also buy the drum machine with this expansion pack. There is a 30-day trial on their website, and however, the Synthwave expansion pack does not come with a 30-day trial, but the drum machine here has plenty of drum kits to get you started. In fact, I made another video going over the whole drum machine and a bunch of different sounds, so you can check that out. There'll be a link in the video description below, somewhere in this video or whatever. And I'll be doing more videos. There's a hip hop expansion pack as well, and some other ones probably coming out in the future. So anyways, this is going to be a video just pretty much about the Synthwave edition here. But it is also worth noting that when you buy from ADSR, they typically have a plugin of the month they give away for free. This month is Darksecord 3. I can't guarantee they're always going to be giving a plugin away for free every month, but just check the link in the video description below. There'll be probably, whatever plugin they're giving away or something else or whatever. They have all kind of other deals on their website as well. And yeah, so check that out. Let's get back into this. So the Synthwave Volume 1 here is 200 samples, 160 patterns for Synthwave. I believe it's 10 extra kits. There's some samples on their website as well. And like I said, the free version, or not the free version, but the free demo comes with 50 kits. And the whole, so this would be 50 kits if you buy it as well, plus the Synthwave edition if you get that, or the expansion pack if you already have the drum machine. But yeah, there's all kinds of different styles of music on here. Let's head over to Logic and check it out, though, some of the sounds and everything. So, like I said, it's a pretty advanced sampler. I'm not going to go into all the stuff here about this. Like I said, you can check out my other video, just check out their website, or just download the free version for yourself. Free demo, that is. 30-day trial. Yeah, so basically, you got all your typical things here. EQ, compression, filter, drive, phaser, blah, blah, blah. Different sounds you can edit. Then we got the sequencer down here. And it comes with the beats pretty much loaded for each kit. Let's check out some of these. There's 16. These are MIDI drag and drop. You could drag it to your DAW as well. You could edit them. Of course, you could create your own. You could write in MIDI. You could play it on a keyboard. Pretty much whatever you want. Let's check some of these sounds. And then there's a dice here. You could just change the samples randomly too. I just changed that a hi-hat sound. Go here, change that one. Just do some random stuff. Go in here, search for different sounds. All kind of fun stuff going on in here. Let's check out some of the other kits. That was Cyberpunk Kit 1. We got Cyberpunk Kit 2 here. Load up some different patterns, see what happens. Let's check out some more. Retrowave Kit 1 here. All right, cool. So there you go. Just a quick look at this expansion pack / edition of the drum machine here. You can check out my other video on the full ADSR drum machine. Check out the link in the video description below. Like I said, check out the free plugins they got. All kind of really cool stuff going on their site too.